Okay, now coming back to the lab, we just set up our variables in SPSS. Now we're going to create a histogram so we can see if they're normally distributed or if they're skewed, so we know which measure of central tendency is the best. Now remember, we discussed that. We talked about measures of central tendency in a previous video. So if you don't remember which one is appropriate, mean, median, or mode, please refer back to that. So we're going to go back to our data set. So here we are back at our data set, and we want to do a histogram. So where we want to go is to graphs, and then we're going to go down to legacy dialogues, and then we're going to scroll down to histogram. So hopefully everyone sees where I am, and I'm going to click on histogram. So we're going to go up here to graphs, and we're going to go down to legacy dialogues, and then we're going to go over here to histogram. All right, so the variable that I want to put in here is my dependent variable, which is speed. So I come over here, I can say if I just click on either one, click on speed and put that over there. And I want to display a normal curve. So that'll give me an idea if it's a bell-shaped curve or skewed. And then I want to put, so if I just did this and clicked OK, it would give me a histogram for all the data sets, all the data points. I want it broken down into group ordering. I want a histogram for hit and I want one for smash. So I'm going to put group wording here as a row. I could do it as a column here. And then I'm going to click OK. And it's going to pop this out here. And you see this is what rows mean, is that I have them, this is one row for hit and another row for smash. Columns would mean that they'd be side by side. And it's kind of nice here because you can see that this is a lower speed than smashed. You can also look here and see that they appear to be fairly normally distributed. There's less variability here, it looks like, than there is here. So I would say that for both of these, we have a fairly normal distribution. And we would use the mean for number 6.